Hi guys, welcome to another video from myself, RC Steve B, here in a decidedly untidy man cave at the moment. We're having a bit of work done downstairs, so we've got things like the kiddies trampoline and things like that having to be stored up here at the moment. You just excuse me, I've just had a really quite hot cup of coffee. It's April. It's April. Where has the year gone? It's last Sunday on the April the 13th, and I can say that with authority because I've just had to put it on the computer down there to find out what date it was. God. The 13th, we went to Dumbleton for our annual monthly meet, and what an event it was. Absolutely brilliant again. Unfortunately, there were several members that were unable to make it for various reasons, including a couple who have quite, let me say, health issues at the moment. And on behalf of myself and all of the rest of the club, we send all our best wishes over to them and wish them a speedy recovery. You were definitely noticeable by your absence, guys. So you were definitely missed. Now, Ben from the Grantham Light Armour Division joined us again. He brought down some of his amazing RC tanks, and it was my first time to actually get the old Pershing out, which I've done a little bit of work on. I've weathered just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And I was really impressed with how that turned out, as you will see in a moment. Also, make sure that you either have your headphones on or you definitely have your sound on, because Ben brought a King Tiger. You can see it here. Now, this King Tiger, you need to hear the sound that this Tiger made, because what Ben had done was he'd actually recorded I think he said it was the last running King Tiger in France. He'd actually recorded it starting up. And the sound, I mean, I don't know how he'd done it. If I had hair, it would have boom straight over the top, would have left me with the centre part in, but whatever it was he'd done, he'd actually manipulated the sound so that, as a lot of you know, on most vehicles, like tanks and things like that, you get soundboards. I've got sound in a couple of my trucks. But this was, it was so bassy, you could actually feel it going through you. It was amazing. So make sure that you have your headphones on or you have your volume on to listen to that. He also brought his young son with him, which was very nice. I got on with him very well, and he enjoyed playing with the excavator, the bucket loader, the top race bucket loader. He had a field day with that, so that was nice. And also, we were missing Beth. Now, as you know, everybody needs a Beth. Beth is the Robin's daughter who cooks. Robin's daughter-in-law? Oh, yeah, I don't know if she's daughter or daughter-in-law. I think it's daughter-in-law, actually. Yeah, daughter-in-law. And she does our cooking for us. So she makes us up absolutely amazing meals. She wasn't able to go, so Robin stood up, we're up to the mark, and he made hot dog and chips. Oh, the hot dogs and the onions. Oh, I'm masticating as I think about it. Yes, I did say masticated. As I think about it, absolutely gorgeous. So well done, Robin. Right, so without further ado, let's get on with the video so that you can see the fun that we had. And I'll tell you about what's going on in the future at the end of the video. So I will see you in a moment, guys. See you in a bit. Bye. It goes well, doesn't it? Well, there you go. Oh, what about that Tiger? Wasn't that absolutely stonking? Absolutely stonking. And I mean, I'd say Rex had got his tanks there as well that you saw, and oh, it was just a really, really good day out again. Really, really good day out. Hopefully, I think it's next. It might be yeah, next Sunday. I think it's the 27th, as far as I'm aware. We hopefully will be going up to the Grantham Light Armoured Division to pay them a visit, so that we can see what they're all about. We were supposed to be going last month, as you heard in the last video, but unfortunately Ben was unable to make it. So we thought, well, as soon as our Ben's made the effort to come to us, we should do the same when Ben's there. So that's what we're going to do. So hopefully Ben's there on the 27th. And the Nationals are getting close. There's only a couple more meets before the Nationals, and that's what I am really, really looking forward to. Again, can't wait for that. So make sure that you like and subscribe so that you don't miss the Nationals video or any of the future uploads that I make. And I do believe that's it. once I say again, I do say before we go, best wishes to the certain individuals who were unable to make it on health grounds. You know who you are. I'm not going to go into it any more detail than that, but honestly, my best wishes are with you, and here's hoping that you know, Lady Luck smiles on you and everything turns out okay. But that is it from me now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give us the old hey and the old beep, and I will see you, well, hopefully in a couple of weeks, if we do manage to get to the tank meet. If not, I will see you on the 11th. Well, the next meeting is on the 11th at Dumbleton, so I will see you a few days after that. Have a great Easter, guys, and happy RCing. See you later.